What's up? So on today's episode of the CapCut tutorials, we are going to take a look at why CapCut. Now, for all of you here, probably you are either a video creator or a content creator or a video editor, etc. But whatever the case, there are a number of tools out there that we use for video editing, like DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro, CapCut VN Editor, iMovies, like a lot of them out there. Some are even browser based, and then some of them get you the apps themselves, either for iOS or Android or desktop versions as well. So I personally use a number of ones. I have used some of them before in the past, up until this point whereby I realized that my top 2 video editing apps are going to be CapCut and DaVinci Resolve. Now, for a lot of times when I'm doing documentaries for clients, like drone shoots, documentaries, and those kind of stuff, then I use the DaVinci. But more or less when it comes to content creation, like videos like these ones, the ones on my socials, Alright, so we had some very terrible news coming from the camp of Snapchat a few days ago. Sometimes you need to understand that the person behind that business page or account is not necessarily the business owner, but probably a social media manager who is also doing their jobs. So if you're going for tidal wave, I'm just here to tell you the truth of the matter. First on the list, the network is going to jam. Then CapCut is my go-to. Now, someone may ask, why CapCut? I think it's a straightforward app whereby you don't need a lot of prior experience before you jump onto CapCut. It gets the job done. It has a lot of AI features for you. You can manipulate audio, you can manipulate video, you can literally import different types of files in it. You can cut out backgrounds, you can add captions and stylize them, customize them. You can actually create a brand kit out of it, and I think it's just intuitive. So basically, CapCut, the reason why I always recommend CapCut is that it's easy to learn, it's easy to follow, and you can also synchronize it whereby you can use the same account on your app on your phone, and then the same on your tablet or laptop or iMac at the office, so that if you're on the go, you know what to use. If you're not on the go, you know what to use, and it synchronizes. Also, you can create spaces. One good thing is that you can create spaces whereby, for example, I can create a space for my maybe Tintin YouTube, whereby it's just me and my 2 editors on that space. So if somebody works in Tardy on a particular video, they upload it or synchronize it on that space, then I myself in Accra can get it, edit it, review it, and then export it. Do you get? I can create another space for maybe Limehouse where I work, so that the editors in Limehouse, once we have to do review sessions in there, we can all have it on that space and be able to collaborate and then communicate. So CapCut is intuitive, it gets the job done. Now the good thing too is it has free version and premium versions. So the free, yes, it gives you some leverage, in fact a lot of leverage as compared to other apps. Now when you go for the premium, which I would recommend, it's not really expensive, like $12 a month, you can get something substantial. So yes, for those of you that are using it commercially, I would recommend the premium, and if you can afford it and you're on the free plan, I would also recommend the premium, so that you can upgrade and then get all the best in there. So in this episode, I had to teach you why CapCut and why I personally love CapCut. Now we are gradually about to jump into the technicalities of the whole CapCut space. So jump onto the next video and I'll see you there.